Welcome back, guys. In the previous lecture we have seen the demo of our JavaScript meals project. Now in this video we are going to start the HTML code of our project. So I have already created a new folder with the name JS Mails in the JS projects folder. Now I am going to open that folder in the VS Code. Here you can see this is the folder. So now I am going to create the required files in this JS Mails folder. So the first one will be index.html. And the second will be index.js, and the last will be style.css. So as of now we do not require the style.css and index.js. Close these things, and first we have to write the HTML, head and body. In this body I will write one h1 tag, JS Meals, Ctrl S. So copy the index.html file path and paste it in the Chrome URL. Here you can see our project working properly. Now we need to add the Bootstrap CDN link, because for the styling purpose we are using the Bootstrap only. So as like our previous project, type Bootstrap, copy CDN, paste it in the head part, Ctrl S, click on the view, select toggle word wrap, Ctrl S. Now we need to import one more library called as the jQuery, because we are going to perform the Axios operation with the help of, not Axios, Ajax operation with the help of jQuery only. jQuery CDN, select jQuery get started from W3 schools and copy here, paste it in the head part. And now we are left with one more thing in the head part, which is called as the CSS style sheet, link CSS, and in the href we have to write the style sheet of the CSS. That's it. So now in order to get this navbar we have to create the UL and LI elements. So first I will create one div. In that div I will create one h1 text and I will create one UL. So first of all I will create one div. In that div I will create id equal to navbar, and first we need to add one LI element, JS Meals, and this is the title. So I will write id equal to title, and then I will create the nav elements. These are the nav elements, UL. So I will write id as nav elements, and again in this UL we have to write three things. The first one is home, second is order, third is contact us. So we are using this just for the styling purpose only. Home, second one is LI, that is order, and the last is contact us, Ctrl S. Let me refresh the page. Here you can see we got the project title and these are the navbar elements. In the next lecture we are going to add the CSS. As of now we have to ignore it. So we got the project title and we got different navbar elements. So now we have to create one div. So that means parent div, in which we have to add the child elements as mails items. So I will create one div. After the navbar, div id equal to my items. So in these my items we have to add the all items, and these id will be, this my items class will be row, class equal to row, because for every item we have to use 3 or 4 columns. If you use 3 columns you can place 4 items in 12 columns, and if you use 4 columns you can place only 3 items. You can use any one of them, you can use 3 or you can use 4. So here I have used only 3. And now we have to access these my items in the JavaScript, and we need to add all the responses to this my items div. So as of now our HTML code is completed, and in the next lecture we are going to discuss about the JavaScript code. Thank you.